Beautiful chunks fish here. Well, we've got it right in the water anyway. It's half the battle. Getting out here. First bait got absolutely smashed. Let's go again. Can we get a biter straight away here? G'day guys, we're back on dawn, right on the crack. Bit overcast, but swell's low. We're hoping to actually catch something. We haven't caught something for a fair while. Been out to Tim's thicket.
There's no ruts at all.
Nothing. It's all compacted, man. You little pearler. It's got something. Look at the power on this guy. The power's through the roof, mate. It's got to be a big shark. But I just can't lift him. So there's no other option but to do the walk back. Oh, gone. Preston.
The home point has been updated.
She's done it. Great, let's hope this isn't mega tangled. Ray number 2, maybe slightly bigger than the last. No luck. Thought we'll try a Metro Beach today. I think we're about to hook up. Let's get another bait out. The water is beautiful. It's looking so nice. Can we get a couple more out? We've already had 2. They've pretty much just been belted by the babies, I reckon. You know, it's always a catch-22. Do I send to the same spot because it's lively? Or do I go further back or to the left or right of it? Hard to know. Fresh line on, spooled by the guys at Castaway. Get down there, mate. Their machine can spool pretty much the most line I've ever seen on a reel. Yeah, we got absolutely caned again. Oh, good bites. Right, now, is this just going to be babies or are we going to get a good bite here? Otherwise, we'll throw, I'm thinking throw on to the left of it. Snag City. Tell me the bait's already been ripped. Oh, is that a hookup? Might be. Yep. Yep. Onto a small one. There's a little bit of weed in the water. So what we'll end up doing is casting a bit longer. Still don't know whether the honey hole's any good or not. Getting nibs already. Oh, good nibs. Come on, take it. Big boy, straight away. Oh! Oh! I think we're onto something decent here. Yes, we are. Whoa! Mini zing. Mini zing. And we're a little bit further out this time, so it's going to take us a little while to get in. Not feeling any big bites now, any head shakes. I was earlier though. It's like a little snapper. Yep, just a baby. It's a nice little pink snapper, nothing special. That's all that's around at the moment, so you're a 48. Let's get you back in the water. Beautiful fish. There's lots of babies out there. Surely there's a big one. Those little ones are there, the bigger ones are there. There's rain out there, mate. Getting nibs. Oh, yeah, we're on to something. Oh, I'm on! Let's go. First time on this new Ozflex Slayer rod. Could he be a 50? Oh, he's got some fight on him now. Might be there. What have we got? Are you just under or are you just over? Oh. $49. Let's get back out there. Just under. Beautiful fish. In you go, buddy. Oh, there's something there now. Oh, big bites. Hardly any breeze. It is beautiful out there. Getting the hezzers come through as well. All gone. Okay, got to retie the line. So I normally do a half hitch. Loop through the line. 3 loops through the original, pull it all together. We're getting picked off quite a bit. Not much you can do. Well, nothing happening again, but we've got some good action coming up. Just can't get anything over the 50s. We've got a 49 and a 48. Put this spot on hiatus for a little bit. Or we might come here and do some night sessions.